guys, good morning. Today is January 26th of 2022 and we're almost through with January. Today in our devotional it says, find your inner beauty. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Proverbs chapter 31 verse 30. Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Psalms chapter 45, verse 2. You are the most handsome of all. Gracious words stream from your lips. God himself has blessed you forever. 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 3 and 4. Your beauty shall not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that your inner self, the invading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. 1 Timothy chapter 2, verses 9 through 11. Women should adorn themselves in respectable apparel, with modesty and self-control, not with braided hair and gold or pearls or costly attire, but with what is proper for women who profess godliness. With good works, let a woman learn quietly, with all submissiveness. And at the bottom, it says, hairdressers, nail technicians, day cream, night cream, diets, and whatever. Every woman longs for beauty. A beautiful car, home, and garden. Women love beautiful things. It is interesting that God also likes beauty, but an inner beauty in women. Someone with a gentle nature, who chooses her words well and serves him gladly. Maybe you never get to be on the cover of Vogue magazine, but God already has a place for you in heaven. Be a model of beauty and faith. And that's our devotional for today, January 26th. I do apologize, guys. I've only had an hour of sleep last night, but I love you. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Nobody sees my videos unless you share them. So, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.